Hey, Mr. All-American, you look you struggling in there. Oh, Vasco, you okay?
Everybody.
You okay, Go back. You guys got a big pool out there and everybody's lumped together. I have no idea why. Go back out. Off the wall. 1 minute. Bosco, you don't think you're sneaky, do you? Move out. 30 seconds. Elvis, get off the wall. Right there. Watch her way. Get out of her way. Come on, let's go. Move it. Let's go again. Get off there. Get off. Hey, off. Get off. All right, come back over here. Over here. Let's go. Good. To the other side. To the other side. Let's go. Let's go. This ain't no G-Dub workout, brother. This is for real. Come back. Bring it back. Bring it back, Wilton. Bring it back. Bosco, go to that side.